Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cherry Mark. Thanks for joining me. I apologize for this dark video, but anyways, yeah, just going to go ahead. I'm sorry, I'm holding the phone with my hands, and right here, what I have are corianders. I just picked them from the garden. Anyways, thanks for joining me once again. Even though it's really dark, I wanted to shoot a video today, but I've been busy running up and down and I couldn't make it on time. But I thought this day won't end before I take this video. So I'm sorry, I'll have to go somewhere where there's some light. Anyway, it's a bit better. Yeah, thanks again for joining me and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this Kikuyu channel where we learn Kikuyu, and even where we get to know how far our Kikuyu skills are. If you've been watching me, you know I am right here in Kenya. I'm still in Kenya. I'll be here for a while, but very soon I'll return back to my residence. But for now, I'm still here. Anyways, today I wanted to teach you some few words concerning our great great parents. How do we call our great parents? Our great grandparents are called, we have two of them. We have grandmother and then we have grandfather. So how do I call my grandmother? My grandmother or grandmother is called shosho. Shosho is grandmother. Grandfather is called guka. Guka is the grandfather. So yeah, let's say for example you want to say I'm going to visit my grandparents, or my great, okay, my grandparents. How do I say that? Ndĩrathiĩ gũcerera guka na shosho. Ndĩrathiĩ gũcerera guka na shosho. Ndĩrathiĩ meaning I'm going. Gũcerera, visiting. Guka na shosho. Guka is grandfather. Shosho is grandmother. Ndĩrathiĩ gũcerera guka na shosho. Ndĩrathiĩ gũcerera guka na shosho. That's how we say that. My hand is getting really tired. Anyways, that's how I say. Don't mind my hands, they are really dirty. I was in the garden, but I don't mind. Anyway, yeah, ndĩrathiĩ gũcerera guka na shosho. Let's say someone ask you, where does your grandparents live? Guka na shosho wanyu aikaraga kũ? Guka na shosho wanyu aikaraga kũ? Where do your grandparents live? Guka na shosho wanyu aikaraga kũ? Guka na shosho wanyu aikaraga kũ? Ndĩrathiĩ gũcerera shosho na guka. I'm going to visit my grandmother and my grandfather. Guka we said is grandfather. Shosho we said is grandmother. Ndĩrathiĩ gũcerera, I'm going to visit. Guka na shosho maikaraga kũ? Where do your grandmother and your grandfather live? Or where do your grandparents live? Or where do they live? Guka na shosho maikaraga kũ? Let's say you can say they live in Kiambu, or they live in Kenya. Guka na shosho maikaraga Kiambu. Guka na shosho maikaraga Kiambu. Guka na shosho maikaraga, they live Kiambu, the name of the place. Guka na shosho maikaraga Kiambu. Okay, if you can say they live in Kenya, guka na shosho maikaraga Kenya. Guka na shosho maikaraga Kenya. That's how I say when someone asks me, where do they live? They live in Kenya. Gukana shoshu maikaraga Kenya. Maikaraga, they live. Now, excuse me, my fellow viewers, I'm going to end this video. It's extremely dark. You can barely see me, but we're going to end this right here. I hope I have time tomorrow to shoot the continuation of this video. Thanks so much from wherever you're watching me, and thanks again for subscribing to this channel. For the fellow for the loyal subscribers, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for subscribing, for sharing, for commenting. I'm so humbled and pleased to make another video, and it's my hope you are having a good evening wherever you are, and if not, I wish you a nice evening, a good night, or even a good morning or good afternoon from wherever you're watching me. Thank you again, and good night. Bye bye.